Hello guys, so welcome back in this video. Uh, this is a new analysis series, uh, which is helpful for those students who are preparing UPSC as well as state PCS for prelims as well as mains. And in this series, motive is to provide a uh, helpful content for those students who are not able to afford a good coaching and have not a good uh, content or material for study. So in this section we discuss some important topic, uh, or what is the key element or aspect for the for exam point of view. So let us start. This is the first topic, US President ceremony, oath ceremony. Uh, this is the second time of Donald Trump as a 47th uh, president of um, the US. So, uh, in his speech, he emphasized some important issue as well as some topic which which are important for the US as well as some outer country also. Basically one challenging task or one challenging problem of the US, illegal migration or tariffs and energy, like topic also, and that will be taken as a considerable topics for the US as well as some other topic. I think this second term would be uh, more actionable than understandable because of those bugs or those uh, initiative have been taken uh, in his first term, that would be completed, as well as those problems uh, or threats that will be solved out very well. So, in what would be the effect on Indian economic or science as well as in global? What would be the global impact? That and where India is standing with respect to America in leadership of Trump. So you can understand like, so this is this would be asked in your prelims as well as some state PCS exam. So mark out this your current affair copy, because up in Bihar PCS one question asked from the current affair, that is just like what is the city where Trump it tried to Trump had been shot by the gunner. So this would be helpful to understand more conceptual clarity. One more topic. This is your editorial part. So I will not discuss this topic, and this I have discussed already. And this is just your content understanding of the topic or content for writing the mains answer. So this would be helpful for mains answer. And some key aspect I have marked out, so you can point out or write down or sheet on the sheet on the sheet of this topic. This would be helpful for mains answer, right? Because this is very highlighted topic in current age. This is your economic topic, and this is also uh, COVID pandemic. So what is the economic condition and how private sector is uh, maintaining his condition with respect to public uh, economic condition. And this is some data. Here is included some data which will be helpful to understand the current situation of the economy. Okay, this is also. So that first topic, you can once you understand the first topic, this topic will be also clear to you. Because of in this topic, what I have discussed there, what is the economic or your scientific or as well as uh, more important topic, what is the interest of America in Asia continent? So this would be helpful to understand. Once you read out this, your conceptual clarity will be more about this topic and your mains answer ready for it. Okay, I like China impact, encouraging the impact of China in global or economic as well as geopolitics. How what is the initiative by the America for stopping this, and what is the good for India and your Indian Middle East Europe corridor. Uh, main here is only main thing to understand what is the significance for the US of the IMEC. IMEC means India Middle East Economic Corridor. If I am right, this is uh, this is uh, right. I think okay. So once you read, this is only uh, you need to read out. Or China Belt and Road Initiative, which is known by the BRI. So how would we balance out these initiative? And uh, whatever in next situation that will be uh, considered as a discussion point. Okay, and I have also inserted this map here. This is your Middle East Europe corridor. Sorry, not a economic there. That is a Europe, India, Middle East, Europe corridor. This is your important part, and question can be asked from here. What is the main part of IMEC, and what is the significance? And mostly question arise from here. So for more understanding, you can understand. Once you open your sorry, geopolitics as well as your um, world map, you can understand more. One more topic. We need distinguished jurists as judges. Um, this is your judiciary topic, judiciary system as like here they just discuss some important problem regarding judiciary system. What their recruitment as well as mm, case related problem. How many cases are pending in high court and lackness of judges, and what is the initiative can be taken so that problem would be solved out. Like this, I'll discuss. Once you understand, this is not a very discussable this topic. You can understand very well. I highlighted point I have marked, and it can be if you want to write the men's answer, and that can be asked as a what is the not what is the, you can that question may be asked any from any type. So if you read out like this content or mark out some important point, that would be helpful, because of your mains answer writing is just your presence of mind, how you analyze the particular problem, how you understand, and so many things. Okay, but your content is uh, very important, how you tackle the problem, particular context. Okay, and this is a RBI initiative, and this is a very initiative or important topic in daily discussion. When I since I started the series of this new generation, one topic you can see in the newspaper related to the RBI, because of RBI as well as your SEBI, and these are two our economic institute, uh, which takes the which take the uh, decision. Okay, so this is just you when you read it would be clear. I have also mark out, and this is your prelims question, maybe asked in the prelims section in this year. Pakistan airport funded by the China enters into operation. One airport of the Pakistan, Gwadar, if I am right, Gwadar airport, which is funded by the China, which is funded by China. Um, its capacity four 4 lakhs traveler annually, and its estimated cost to 30 billion million dollar. China, uh, China is more interest to uh, to initiative or to invest to use for uh, his interest. These are the initiative by the China for in Pakistan. So these are some important topics, as well as one more your scientific topic. Uh, for scientific topic, uh, I will not discuss here, because of this is your long long way understandable. So you need to understand some basic terms and terminology. So for understanding the scientific topic, I will start some another discussion that every every week or Saturday, that uh, that topic will be discussed very deep. Each and every concept or whatever analysis or study which are helpful to understand for the exam purpose, I will discuss it. Okay. Because of in last few days, some scientific topic is very vast way. So for those students who are the medium background or non-tech background, and this is very um, tough to understand. So I hope this would be helpful for you. And if you have any query regarding any problem, anything, you can ask me or comment. You can use comment section for asking the question. I am available 24 into 7. My true advice to you, if you are targeting your this if you are targeting your exam this year, you need to focus and consist, just like your study, as well as you need to separate out from each other and work on your goal. And whatever help from my side, you can ask me. and I will ready to help. Okay, thank you. I think it would be helpful for you. Thank you very much.